Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, we will learn how to remove stop words from any particular sentence. So, for example, in this text, if you see, there are so many stop words are there. So, for example, let's say Google News is a news aggregator. So, in this, if you see is a those are like a stop words, which is not making any sense when we want to do any kind of sentiment analysis. All right. So, for example, these words are basically used to make a proper sentence so that human can understand. But for machine, we don't need those words. So in this video, we'll be using three libraries. I will explain you all three of them. So using those libraries, you will be able to remove the stop words from any particular sentence. All right. So the first one is NLTK. So you can just download that library, and then once you execute it, you just need to download those words. So for example, why the best of it depends on the English, or I would say a language. So for this example, I'll be using English. So what I'll do, I'll download all the English words. So once I'll execute, you will be able to see. So these are the stop words in a English language. So for example, if you see in the text, there is a word called is, a, ate, or, by, or something like that. All right. So all these words are stop words. So if you this stop words, you can say about, above, after, again, against. Those are stop words, which doesn't make any sense when when we want to do any kind of sentiment analysis or something like that. But these words are basically used to make a proper sentence so that any human can understand. All right. So let me collapse this one. Now let's run this one. So simply, so what we'll do for what we need to convert this text into a tokenized word tokens, and what we'll do, we'll just loop through the all the tokens, and we'll say whatever words are not there in the stop word list. So we will just skip them and add into a new list, which is nothing but clean words. And let me execute this for loop, and you can see over there. So this is the original one, and this is the cleaned one. You can see in the original you are having something called is a, and now in the new one you can see is a is removed, and by is removed, it is removed, or like it is not, I mean like a is removed. I hope you are getting. All right. So this is done by NLTK. Now next library is Spacy. So it also does the same thing. Only thing is like it's pretty much exactly like same. So here what we'll be downloading, we'll just download the stopwords from this language, spacy.lang.en import English, and this NL this object English object, which we convert into a you can say list of tokens. And again, you just loop through all the tokens, get it into a list, and then what you need to do is just download the stopwords from this Spacy library. So I'm just saying download those stuff and say Spacy stopwords. It is also pretty much same. If I execute this one, you will be able to see that. Let me execute this one from the top. Now if you see, this is just a token list of my words. Now you can see it's the same thing. Those are like about, above, cross, after, then. Those are the stop words which you don't want in any particular sentence. All right. And again, I'm saying just looping through all the tokens, my word tokens, and I'm saying whatever is not there in the stop word list, ignore them, and others you add them. All right. So you can see these are the token list, and this is the cleaned one. You can say from the in 1990 premises, like you can say, let me see. So see, this a is removed. Now after that, from, off is removed. You can see that that is removed, was is removed, war is, like, more is removed. So, so this library like is pretty much same, and like we are able to remove those words. All right. So now the third library is also Jensen. It also works in the similar way, but there we need not to use the if condition. It's a pretty straightforward, very simple to use it. We just directly import it. Once you are able to do that, then you just pass the text itself in the remove stopwords uh, library or method, I would say. Once you pass it, you should be able to see that it is all automatically cleaned. You can see that like the press is the like a lot of, okay, my bad, let me pass this one. I didn't execute, I hope. Okay, so you can see it's removed. Like is the, and then you can say off is removed, then yeah, media is over here, then that is removed. So it's pretty simple. All right, I hope you are able to understand how to remove those stopwords from the from any particular text. All right, thank you very much.